eno na kenso pese gugu
me ho de nsuo toy pa
me de egugu ye na mse na ewie mu two kakra eba ne se ye ne mfutuna no ya ye den dodo
nsuo no so de onim se nya tope ese kane ane ye den
oh yes se ekruma kane ade ekruma kane minima de ye
nsuo no fia se ta na edunka
because edu me na santima mponse na kane akọ of pa ye kupisa ECG pani no so kane na free kuma se ba no ehoma ne nam kumu wo eti nsuo no to na se dua nbibu a But uka kani osema memfa money onkoma the Greater Accra Regional Minister. Ati Honorable Linda Okulu. Yes. Yeah. Else mrebo we share boss say within 50 days we make sure say Accra be sa bright.
Yeah.
E bank kania. Na mfi say agudie. Onye ni nyina anwie but me hunu bi. For example, CJ Nanka enka no free N1. N1 from head to toe. Na emu bi no street light here juma. But enne from Fiesta Royal. EBC Namuan Gold House no see yen. It's a hoso. Since a be akane say a free sa Namuan Gold House on
Fiesta Royal hodeba baby abron say a distance ben.
And no na make some say kan na nya adwuma. O nipa ya ade a osaye ye si. O dem nipa ya ade a si ye osaye ye.
Ye penkane on.
Asma me kan say enkane no. Na N1 no e free. O dem ma me sha say ayi
Fiesta Royal to baby na mo na bron say. Say do 200 meters fra.
Free na free akramo. E be si kosi ayi achimota. Junction na buru abesi tasa okwa no so. Na mu bie no traffic light we no. Street light in Yajuma. But I'm saying, I'm in a cast war to an more resolve challenge. No, and a free Fiesta Royal, EBC Namuan Gold House. No, I saw you. If you are sharing who said Yakam or the best of you.
Was he a fee Amasamai?
Okay.
Ya de Baseko. Or the Unqua Accra Central.
Okay.
A free Amasamai. So stretch ya.
I was in Yajuma. I was in Yajuma.
Jim FM.
How does a Yajuma? And Yajuma.
And that's how I'm out bedma.
Eva. I must have never been found my summer. The foot to a concert of Minfo. For baby. Hey, foot to bed me cow.
Jim FM.
You never know Bancatano. Na personal. Na kwesi enra national economic dialogue.
Okay.
Enra ashase. And somewhere any revelations ahodo a enra efiri ho epie. Any baby a woman ye gina sikasem mu. Me to me but also yen training ya when and dey actually aso national economic dialogue ye benya bribi papa bi afiri mu a bese san man yesikasem
esikaseye beseye faso bi ani so
national economic dialogue no
I'm telling you esikaseye
faso bi ani so debi na wo kan sa wo kyerɛ kwasi
CJ mi kutango mebu ha mi ba ku bia memo akenkan bia me kenkan krata ni mame
we Black Star Rising long-term national development plan of Ghana from 2018 to 2057 national development planning
Commission.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, Nana Dr. Nimoy Thompson.
Okay.
Yes.
Was it from saying
2018 to 2057?
Okay. I've met consultation on my no. Or say ready, sir, a hanum no preface no. Won't say a dimby bobo any data or the consult to be our honum. Obey why? Na bonade mentre a herphone at for DB.
Mankind preface
list
of personalities and organizations visited during the consultation. President John D. Mahama, 7 July 2015. Ex-President J.J. Rawlings, 8 July 2015. Ex-President John Ejekum Kufuor, 8 July 2015. President-elect Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, 6th January 2017. Speaker of Parliament Honorable Edward K. Do Ajaho, 9 July 2015. Chief of Justice Georgina Wood, 9 July 2015. CPP, PNC, GCPP, JH Mensah, former chairman NDPC, MPP, NDC, Parliament, PPP, Council of State. That's the list.
Thank you.
List no.
Okay. We are there in see a drain or my Ghana.
Impuntu. Yes.
Abwa mi sika semai day.
Yeah.
One our boss, Dr. Nemo Thompson, and a sign.
Yeah, Mekaipa.
A beer be nimna, man pen my man position, a man appointment.
Yeah.
Dr. Nemo,
him from
SDGs, UN, SDGs. Or you'll be on nim DA pa about my sika 7 chichiri and one. CJ report to a Faba Kukranya Juma.
Black Star Rising, no?
Yes. Report we. In fact, in Penifue Bomini, some called National Economic Dialogue, no. Sa associations, new groupings, no. Almost ha, man finance mana ekenkai. Okay. Shadia.
It's a list of some of the key groups and that participated in the consultations. And the list starts with political party representatives, commissioners of NDPC, representatives of market and other similar associations, Fishermen's Association, farmers representatives, district planning officials, NDCEs, traditional rulers, representatives of faith-based organizations, representatives of persons with disabilities, students representatives, and youth groups.
Who am I call yes economic dialogue? Near start here, you be a no and yeah, ye and then it's ye. Who am I call? Or more body be what every new.
Me so say be ebi.
18 Vasoben also a national economic dialogue. 1 year war 2018 to 2057 the enfanya adwuma. Me ka jem say ska say we to on tiase. Sika ne abeto ne abu na space DSPDB. Faso bi eni so. CJ faso bi eni so. O mo kura de amamrata o mo achi NDPC. Ma me chiro. Ma me ba ko banda sa kenkan. Na bo say NDPC no enu keke o. Emrata o mo achi. So mutu mampeni for mampeni amfa na do ay professor ay gache ya mra bia anta wachi etimiti se mampeni ma say or the sa outcome of this consultation and I'm like NDPC amamra bonachi o se won to mampeni for man kan na chechire ho kro to mampeni for mampeni amfa
but because don't you think say economic dialogue no is specific to Ghana's economy national development planning commission you say yeah can want some Black Star Rising and so it's quite broad development in all facets of our
thank you Medase ma menchiro ade
yes
offer NDPC report yeah long term bia they are short terms maybe be number they achiro yeah ku anim yeah they are short terms as to mama me be kra wa hanom we kra say nya kasa tintin bia mama say me prebi oh me nya dia me kwa cheke me report me so be screenshot it
sure
and then so every long term NDPC report bia no there are short terms that cater for every specific challenge be on mine no facing see je so ko NDPC a when they chew moka on nim dienis yo manya to build a country. Minim get to also sign one more report. So as
myself quite dialogue.
Yes, I quite dialogue for fro. Et yenyam was a nan we call Centurion yes akotna IMF. Me when you could discuss no Centurion na NDPC discuss ya dada. Ya bo office ya man crofo so mo ntembo so so etwe mo ka ya form report nya hwe na ade no mo ye ne asa pa bedweko se won sa ko ya no fra na bi san famai enya ka na ye bo man no
Adom FM
enya ka ye twen crofo ka NDPC o
me kai say 2014 ye call Senchi sa consensus e wie emu nsem a e ba na the impression was created. Say immediately after Senchi, Nanka Ghana is sick as Nanka. Betutuji.
Nenyahe. Na enyahe chese me say adibia from crossing the T's and dotting the I's. Ye course was Senchi Biano. Na NDP Saka wasem. Unless a bio be a sabio parking kind. Now we am pelling from parking kind or my way moi. Yes, sign NDP mo and Sanko Bobeko. See me Ghana won't be him. See be a sub see a parking kaya. Dear Panam say one main church then one NDP in your home report. Tell me back. Apart from so no you better. Say my dear Bakwa a 4 main church then one NDPC in the home report. But so me so share you me for one. Yes, you get chomoka.
Yeah.
Fasobena also. If Fasobena also. And then my penny Mahama by your own said Dr. Nimoy Thompson. Reporter see Jim Lima can carry Papa ne sign yo. Dr. Nimoy Thompson on the sign as our report no. My penny Mahama by no say Nim dear what it would know. May you free NDP se me neko hano. No report from my penny Mahama fan here. Professor John Gache. Ama Mahameti. Eka ni ebo message susuro. Ni amena for the kano kre. Yamana for the kano kre. And Omani bo sikana so yapani repeating the same mistake. The same mistake. Yes, I repeating this.
Ijina name.
Kosi konso ijina kwenti.
Ijina name. For graphic no.
Daily graphic. Mama sounds alarm. Economy needs radical overhaul. Eti Mampani John Ramani Mama Foni ewa Mampani abedi achire. Siji. I'm the focus. Siji.
Mana headline here then. Sisubi mame.
Mahama sounds alarm. Economy. What do we do at you? Economy needs radical overhaul. Eti empenfomi ensamfo de wahanum. Dr. Yam Nsem, Mampani Abedechire, Professor Nana Jeopokwa Jiban, Mampani John Ramani Mahama ewaha. Resetting economy, Dr. Yam Nsem calls for fresh start.
Yen she bibia asefufro. Yen to NDPC a document, yen to three baby.
Makato se scanner man for pedi. Nenye baby adwin papa bia pese yede ba. Baby aga na bobra ba bedri.
68 years.
Baby aga na bobra ba bedri.
Because it's not funny, eh?
It's not funny.
It's not funny.
It's not funny. Said ye pay ho an ye nye ho no. Said ye pay ho and ye nye ho no. Because the political class no are finding way. Ama Ghana ni no supporting na adwina kwakwa say enye me party MPP and nothing should move. Say enye me party NDC and nothing to move.
Any ene.
Enunti NDC ni hunu boni e wo NDC mu. MPP ni hunu boni e wo MPP aban mu. Ni den yan say eye me party. That is the thinking of the Ghanaian politician. How betimi afa so betimi awan Ghana ni. Because see adwo man yi hu aseje. Anima ye repeat. And you see anymore.
And yet we are expecting different results.
Shanko for some your mama point on the Krumano. What kind of be a catcher? Wun ye to be and yet take look at the brain. Now wun here, be or bet me a direct my penny first. Adebakua, who or man we say, who tongue for me, would you come and Pacron said, why do you know commodity noir or Farquasia? Ya pointing crofoko bia wodo ase bi nimde ni suhunu e omoni bi ana constitution an kan just yenye medical doctor attorney general ana constitution an kasa na constitution be kan just yemfa mranim ni a wodi about 10 years at the bar confess we bia na akoto health ministry okay so administration na oni health background cry nyehwe. Me say na constitution and can't just say you for medical doctor and quite attorney general. The constitution was specific when it comes to who qualifies to be an attorney general. Why can't we apply same to other ministries and sectors?
Well,
ye mo bia so kekede na kwakoto ba bia because party aba so bia be dibi mawie a daily graphic mama for the finder was it T-bills auction interest rate tumbled to 20%, government records 181% over subscription. Hey, you're doing so hard, you know. Bank of Ghana warns banks against photocopying Ghana cash. It's a bank acquiring a Ghana cash say photocopy no. That's what we be so no. Bank of Ghana say bank for bisawa menfa mom. And fama no. So from photo on your photocopy for kwahwe. Comac report drop in fuel prices. They see it could be some so ekasalifa femgo ebon so na akasen. Almost say femgo bono eba from. Let's say ban the papa muano. The new finder enonom. The Ghanaian Times. National Economic Dialogue. I will see through all proposals. Southern Ghana to experience heavy rains March to June with potential floods. Hey, the Ghana Metro there can you?
A drew.
We
are back to the same conversation every year. And we are back. We are back.
And now, yes, I trust the ABB. There's nothing near Jai. That's a community we see a densify hydrant. So Ghana, Oko Kwame Nkrumah Circle. Yes, see whole factory as a fire hydrant. So Kwame Nkrumah Circle. It is fast for and so they do there. This is 2 car no co actually Yakope Swaba. Yeah, you said your matter. Me was see fire hydrant so himself Kwame Nkrumah Circle. Send the power episode a job at me at all. Yeah, join my company. SC office also. Man allegedly kills a girlfriend, buries body in see Jenema say and how you know. To me so the girlfriend. The girlfriend. No could we didn't say septic tank him. Ni papa ni furia se pa. The overseer na men ko na to aso. Mama rallies Ghanaians behind economic reset agenda. Bank of Ghana plans to transfer gold purchasing role to new gold board. It's afraid you want to pit me anya to me to go near the Kwakoma gold board as a major free and finance minister Ghana saves 1 billion Ghana cedis from treasury bill rate drop. Finance minister Neka says treasury bill is about for me to buy me service cabes 1 billion Ghana cedis. Give exi on national about until number to HM Senate so don't fee and the 60 days. Or since St. John's by your give a no. I'm for Crabbe Jan, Dr. Rashid Tanko computer, if na a wahai, the overseer and a CJ. Mammy, that was why Yamin cow at the Pachia. That was
Adom 106.3 FM. My question is, I did the bunker and Apos the brain.